Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Those who are new, guys, thank you so much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Those who are here, guys, thank you so much for your support. Today we will be making Cajun chicken and sausage gumbo. This is a hearty meal enjoyed by so many. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with the measurements. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. So to my chicken, I'll be adding some Worcestershire sauce, diced ginger, garlic, black pepper, and I'll set that aside. To my pot, I'll be adding some oil. Allow this to become hot. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you can go in and add your sausage. Give that a good stir. After about 5 minutes, you can remove the chicken and sausage from the pan. So leave the remnants in the pan and the oil from the chicken. Now we will go in with half a stick of butter. Allow this to melt. All the brown bits you're seeing there is from the meat. So now we will add our flour a little bit at a time and give it a good mix. Here we are actually making our roux. This is what actually brings the gumbo together. The darker the roux, the better. Keep whisking a little bit at a time. Allow this to cook for approximately 20 to 35 minutes on low heat and constantly stir. Now we will go in with our onions, our celery, garlic, and we'll give that another mix. Now we add our peppers, and I'm using bell peppers, green and red and orange. You can just use green or it's optional, but the flavor is amazing. So I'd advise you guys use bell peppers. Now I'll go in with my chicken and sausage. Make sure to mix everything well. Make sure it is nice and combined. I'm adding some red chili flakes, and this is optional, and some beef bouillon, some Cajun seasoning, and some fresh parsley mixed well. So now we will go in with our chicken stock, and I'm adding 6 cups and give that a good stir. You will stir and taste and make sure the seasoning is right. Now I'll add my bay leaves, cover and allow it to simmer. Now we will go in with our okra, and this gives it the amazing flavor. And I'm using frozen okra. I'm adding a little bit of smoked chili pepper. Give that a good stir, and that is my gumbo, guys. This smells amazing. The taste, it is so delicious. And there it is, guys. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please subscribe, share, comment, like this video. Those who are here, thank you again. Thank you all for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.